Welcome to Dinan, a charming medieval town nestled in the heart of Brittany, France. Today we're going to take you on a virtual tour of this historic gem known for its stunning architecture, rich heritage, and picturesque setting along the banks of the Rance River. Let's venture into Dinan's Old Town, a maze of narrow streets, half-timbered houses, and historic buildings dating back to the Middle Ages. Dinan's history is like a journey through time, starting from its humble beginnings as a Celtic settlement to its rise as a medieval stronghold. With the arrival of the Romans, Dinan became an important outpost, laying the groundwork for its future as a strategic center of trade and commerce. By the Middle Ages, Dinan had emerged as a formidable medieval stronghold. Its strategic location along the Rance River made it a vital center of trade and defense, attracting merchants, craftsmen, and nobles from far and wide. Under the rule of the Dukes of Brittany, Dinan flourished, reaching the pinnacle of its power and prosperity. The Dukes invested heavily in the town's infrastructure, commissioning the construction of grand cathedrals, imposing fortifications, and elegant mansions. However, Dinan's prosperity also made it a target for rival powers. The town weathered numerous sieges and battles, including conflicts during the 100 Years' War and the War of the Breton Succession. Despite the challenges of warfare and political unrest, Dinan experienced a cultural renaissance during the Renaissance period. The town's wealthy merchants and artisans patronized the arts, leading to a flourishing of architecture, literature, and music. Today, Dinan stands as a living testament to its rich and storied past. Its medieval streets, half-timbered houses, and imposing ramparts draw visitors from around the world, eager to immerse themselves in its timeless charm. Dinan hosts a medieval festival known as the Festivities Ramparts, Festival of the Ramparts. During this event, the entire town transforms into a lively medieval village, complete with jousting tournaments, medieval markets, period costumes, and street performances. It's a time when locals and visitors alike come together to celebrate Dinan's rich medieval heritage in grand style. The festival takes place every other year in July. Dominating the skyline is the impressive Château de Dinan, a medieval fortress that once served as the residence of the Dukes of Brittany. Though partially in ruins, the castle offers visitors the chance to explore its towers and walls with panoramic views of the town below. Dinan is a true treasure trove of history and beauty. We hope you've enjoyed this virtual tour of Dinan Old Town. Until next time, au revoir!